Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Mrs. Lutfia as an English Scientific lecturers and all my beloved friends. First of all, let's say thanks to God for all His blessings that I could stand here to presentation about my laboratory report for all of you. And let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfia Maulana. I'm from Biology Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Okay, let's begin to the first slide. The title is Laboratorium Report, Muscle Tissue. Okay, the next slide. Muscle tissue is the soft tissue that composes muscle in animals and provides muscle strength in animals and gives muscle the ability to contract. There are three types of muscle tissue. There are skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Because I want to deepen my knowledge about muscle tissue, so I want to make observation and then make a report so I can get the conclusion. Okay, next slide. Well, okay, the purpose of this observation is 1. To determine the histology of muscle tissue. 2. To distinguish the types of muscle tissue so we can know the characteristics of each muscle tissue. 3. To explain the function each of muscles. 4. Of course, used as a laboratory report. Next, method part. Okay, the method by virtual or online observation. So I use a Google, and then this is a step. Step 1, searching for image. You can use Google or etc. And the next step is choose one of them and then download. And then observe and point with arrows. Also can use a number. And the last step is give the description. I give the description in every pictures. Okay, and this is a result part. This is examples. One of pictures of my lab report. Okay, next discussion. Based on observations, there are three kinds of animal muscles. 1. Skeletal muscles. The characteristics are work voluntary and get tired quickly, have a cylindrical shape with many nuclei at the edge. 2. Smooth muscles. The characteristics are works involuntary, is fibrous, and has one nucleus in the middle. 3. Cardiac muscles. The characteristics are work involuntary, single cells and not fibers, have a branch. Okay, and there are other characteristics for the muscles. Skeletal muscle has the dark and light areas form a straight line. The dark area contains myosins, the light area contains actin. And the skeletal muscle have a sarcomere. You can find the skeletal muscle in the bone, your skeletal bone. Okay, and next, smooth muscle also contain myosin and actin, but does not appear striated because there is not of sarcomere. Okay, and next, cardiac muscles has the dark and light areas form a straight line, same with skeletal muscle, but have a branch. Cardiac muscle have a branch in every cells. Okay, next. And this is the pictures of skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Okay, And this conclusion, there are three types of muscles in animals. There are skeletal muscles, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscles. Each muscle has different characteristics. Muscle tissue performs their respective function. Okay, I think it's enough. If there are any question or is there any comment, I will be welcome, and I'm so happy to accept this. Okay, thank you. I think it's enough. I'm sorry if I have a problem in I talk about this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.